Hello, this is Chris Rochna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we'll be unboxing the Patchworks Level ITG case for iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone 7 Plus. We'll also be showing you the iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus, and 6S Plus, 6 Plus screen cover. This is silicate screen cover. So we'll pull this one out now. I've used multiple Patchworks products before. I currently use the ITG level case and silicate screen cover for my iPhone 6S Plus. So here's the level case. There we go. We like the design in here. It shifts the load when you drop the phone. It has covers for your buttons, power button, volume button. It also has opening for your mute, unmute, your camera, and your flash, as well as ports for power, your microphone and speaker. So this is the ITG level case from Patchworks. And then inside of here is your silicate glass screen cover, the instruction bit here. It's very easy to do. You can pretty much apply them in about 5 or 10 minutes. You want to make sure you clean your screen and get all of the dust away before you do that. So they have this very well packed for shipping, which we like. So inside here is the silicate glass. There you go. It's thin, but it also keeps the touch sensitivity of the normal glass that you'd have on the screen for a phone. And this phone is compatible with the iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 7 Plus ITG level case, and then for the silicate, it's compatible with the iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus, 6S Plus, and 6 Plus. This is Chris Rochna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.